During the industrial era, carbon emissions have grown tremendously, and deforestation has continued at an alarming rate. At the same time, land and oceans that act as Earth's carbon sinks can absorb only about a half of the carbon emissions from human activities. As a result, Earth's carbon cycle is out of balance, and we're faced with climate change. Whether you are a label printer or a brand owner, you can take positive climate action by going for the smarter choice and use of forest resources. Take this pack of berries. What is so special about it? Not only do these berries come from a forest, but so does this RAFNXT Plus label. It is made of wood fibers from sustainably managed forests. These kinds of forests are used in a way that maintains their biodiversity, productivity, and ability to keep absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. When you choose RAFNXT Plus label materials, you support the sustainable use of forest resources. Additionally, when we use only what is really needed, as in the case of RAFNXT Plus label material, we might only need 8 trees instead of 10 for producing the same amount of label material. This translates into less transport and manufacturing emissions. The impact of this smarter choice and use of label material is quantified with a unique, science-based method. We provide data to illustrate how switching from a standard to more sustainable RAFNXT Plus label material reduces carbon emissions and increases the forest's capacity to remove carbon from the atmosphere. We can also issue diplomas that show the impact of your label material choice. This pioneering approach is verified by the Carbon Trust and is exclusively available to UPM Raflatac customers. Rest assured, it's solid, it's robust. When you choose to print on this RAFNXT Plus material, you too play your part in carbon emission reduction and mitigating climate change. Put simply, RAFNXT Plus helps you go beyond your sustainability targets. Feel the power of the forest. Take positive climate action with UPM Raflatac RAFNXT Plus.